Welcome to DJH Prestige and Sports, where we've just acquired this Vauxhall Insignia. It's the VX model, SRi, so it's got the SAT nav as well and the full leather interior, full black stealth pack on it as well. Obviously that's not factory fitted. Gloss black alloy wheels. You've got the yellow calipers. All the trim around the windows is black, and you've got the privacy glass. All our cars are videoed and pictured outside for better light, but I kept inside our indoor showroom for viewing. So you view the cars at your leisure in any weather. Boot area's all lovely. Got the parcel shelf. Very rare, full leather interior for a Vauxhall. Don't see that many times on a Vauxhall. Electric mirrors, electric windows, power folding mirrors. It's really comfortable inside. Car drives ever so well. It's just been MOT. It's done 73,879 miles. Satellite navigation. Bluetooth. Media pack as well. Looks like DAB. Air conditioning. 6-speed gearbox. Cruise control. Squiggly here for doing the sat nav and that. Two AUX and two USB and an AUX. Really, it's a nice car. DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you have any further require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.